Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming to you from beautiful Pasco County, Florida. The property behind me is a beautiful three bedroom, one bath at 7101 Arbutus Drive here in Port Richey, Florida. Again, this is a 1962 built, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. Beautiful property here. You got one carport with this property. It's going to be 952 square foot heated and cooled under air in this property. It's going to be 1508 square foot under the roof. So out of that 1508, 952 of that is going to be heated and cooled. Again, you have updated windows, as you can see behind me. A beautiful corner lot here. Nice driveway. Beautiful palm in the front. And you got a lot of other storage areas outside here, and sitting areas that we're going to love to show you here in just a minute. It's going to be a city water, city sewer property here. It's a block and stucco, concrete block and stucco property. The AC and the roof were replaced in 2015. So you got a new roof, new AC from 2015. So those should last you. The AC should last you probably another 6, 7, 8 years. The roof will last you another 20 to 25 years as well. There's no flood insurance required on this property either. The location on this property is outstanding. You have US 41 is just not even 1 block from you here. That has all of your shopping, dining. It's one of the main thoroughfares that goes up and down the west coast of Florida here in the Tampa Bay area. And that's just a hop, skip, and a jump, 1 block from over there. You're just 5 minutes from the nearest Home Depot, which is just south of us there. You're 10 minutes from a Walmart. You're 15 minutes from the beach at Robert Reese Memorial Park is the beach just south of here, about 15 minutes. And a Tampa International Airport. If you're going to be flying in to enjoy this property outside the state of Florida, you want to fly into the International Airport in Tampa. That's 45 minutes from this location. So you could be here enjoying this beautiful weather, enjoying the beach, enjoying this beautiful property here when it's 10 below up north. Here within 45 minutes from the Tampa International Airport. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this property here at 7101 Arbutus Drive here, and we'll see you on the inside. See you there. All right, as we come into your property, into the living area through the front door here at 7101 Arbutus Drive here in Port Richey. As you can see, you got beautiful tile on the floor, updated windows on either side here. All of the outlets, 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets have all been updated. You got a switch over there that's been updated. Got a ceiling fan with a light fixture above. This area, these updated windows, you're looking out onto your carport here. Again, you have a kitchen and a 3rd bedroom right behind Sam there with a door out to the utility area and another Florida room. You got your AC return, you got your AC thermostat above right there, and you got these beautiful large windows to let a lot of light in to this living area. So that's one thing that's great here as well. You don't need a lot of electricity lights to keep this place lighted in the daytime. So now let's go back into your 1st bedroom and we'll see you there. All right, as we come out of your living area into your kind of hallway here, come into your 1st bedroom. This is actually going to be probably the biggest bedroom in the house here. You have 1, 2, 3 outlets, and they all been updated along with a switch. You got a ceiling fan with a light fixture above. You got updated windows with these awnings. Do great, keep it nice and cool in here on the outside, the storm awnings that they have there. You do have a smoke detector above. You have a closet here, which is from here to approximately right about here. So you got a good sized closet to store all your garments in that you have. Definitely got an AC return or AC duct above there. The AC, like I said, is 2015. We got here probably about 30-40 minutes ago and turned down the AC in this house, and it is beautifully comfortable in here as well. So now let's go out. We're going to go back into the hallway. You're going to have a couple closets, your bathroom, and another bedroom off to the left. We'll show you that bedroom next, and we'll see you there. All right, as we come out of your 1st bedroom, which is definitely the largest room in this house, so that would probably be the master, I would assume. As you come into your 2nd bedroom here, it's slightly smaller. You got 1, 2 outlets, and those all been updated. The receptacle has been updated. You got an updated switch here. ceiling fan with a light above. All the windows have been updated with really nice vinyl windows in here. You do have a closet, a smoke alarm above. Got a closet right behind me here. Let's see the size of this thing. You're going to come from right about here where the door is, almost all the way to the outside wall. So you definitely got a lot of storage in this room here. Vinyl flooring on the laminate flooring on the floor. As we come back out in here to the tiled area, you're going to have light above. You're going to have a linen closet right here. 1, 2, 3 shelves. And as you come back into here, you're going to have, this is your single bathroom in this unit. You're going to have your vanity, 1, 2, 3 drawers, 1 cabinet, mirror, medicine cabinet, low flow toilet right here, and you're going to have a tub shower combination with an updated window. You do have a 3-light fixture above there. The light bulbs were out, so we couldn't get that on, but all you would have to do is just replace the light bulbs on there and you'd be fine. And you got your switch and the updated GFCI right there. As we come back out into your hallway here, you're going to have another closet here. You can hang coats and whatever you want to hang there. You got some linen up there as well. You could probably add other shelves if you didn't want to hang anything to make that more of a linen storage area as well. To my right here is another. This is where your AC handler unit is for the property, and that's all, like I said, been updated since 2015, and that's all in great working order there. And as you come out into this beautiful living area, these big floor-to-ceiling windows here just add so much light into this area. It's just beautiful. You got your AC return and your AC thermostat right there. I'm not sure if I just showed you that. So now we're going to move out and head into the kitchen and show you your 3rd bedroom, and we'll see you there. All right, as we come back out of your hallway and all of your bedrooms and bathrooms on that side, you're going to have your kitchen here. But as you walk through your kitchen, you're going to come into your 3rd bedroom. Right here, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 outlets, updated outlets in this. You're going to have a ceiling fan with a light fixture. You do have an updated window right there. You do have an updated switch for your lights, and you do have a small closet here, which is the actual size from here to the outside of that. You do have the laminate wood flooring in here and a white updated door. So this is definitely a nice 3rd bedroom. Again, the 1st bedroom that we walked in is probably going to be the master. This would be an excellent 3rd bedroom for this property. As we come back out of the 3rd bedroom, you're going to be right off the kitchen. You got a beautiful tile in here in the kitchen. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 upper cabinets. 1, 2, 3, 4 lower cabinets with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 drawers right here. You're going to have a Frigidaire dishwasher. You got a stainless steel sink there, light overhead, AC return right there. You do have a hot spot 4-burner stove and oven right here. You have your fridge off to the left here. All freshly painted. You got a light above, tile on the floor, so it's easily set up. You got a lot of counter space. This is a great area, beautiful home. This is a great rental property if you're looking for investment as well, or a snowbird's nest would be a beautiful home to come down 6 months out of the year and enjoy this because you're so close to the beach, you're so close to everything. US 19. Now let's go ahead. We're going to out the door. We're going to take trip out the door here. You're going to have your utility closet, other storage areas, and you're going to have a floored room in the back there. Let's go take a look at those. We'll see you there. All right, so as we come out of your kitchen here at 7101, you're going to come into a small breezeway. Shut that. As you come in here, all freshly painted within the last year or so. Off to my right here, you're going to have your updated water heater. You have your breaker panel. You're going to have your water for your utilities, washer and dryer out here. And as you come out to here, there's going to be a Florida room. As you can see, we did have a pretty good storm maybe a week or 2 ago. So all of the screens actually looks like it blew down in this storm, but all of these screens will be put back up where they're supposed to be and repaired by the time the property is closed. I got that from the seller. That's one of the things. I was on the phone with them and made sure that was going to be done, or we were not going to film or sell this house. But they assured me that all these screens and everything will be put back the way it was specifically supposed to be. when we initially first saw the house. So as you come out here, you definitely have a beautiful Florida room. You can sit out here and have your coffee, have your tea, and enjoy yourself. And you do, like I said, you do have a breezeway with a storm door going out to the front of your property, where you have your carport right there. So as we come out through the back screen area, this is into the backyard of the property here. Shut that. As you can see, you have a nice oak tree right there. All the houses have been painted within the last several years. Again, the roof is 2015, so you won't have to worry about that for 20, 25 years from now. So now you do have a smaller backyard on this property, and that's usually what you're going to have. Usually what you're going to have when you purchase a home that's on a corner lot. A lot of the times the majority of the yard is going to be out in the front of the property. The house is going to sit back on them, so you have a smaller backyard. But it's still, you have plenty of room to have your dog or animals run around here. If you can fence this all off as well. So now let's go ahead and we're going to go off to the right side of the property and we'll see you there. As we come, actually we'll just walk over here. We'll show you. As we come over to the right side of your property here, your property line is up behind Sam, comes all the way back to the cars there, and you do have your power overhead. Again, all these screens are going to be taken care of. They'll be back up and in working order by the time the property closes. Again, you have plenty of room if you wanted to park a boat or anything like that on the side of the house. It's here. It's just a nice big size lot here. It's going to be a 0.20 of an acre as well. On this property, so you're going to have 8,852 square foot on this property, so you definitely got a lot of land to work with. This property looks like it had a new power riser there as well to the house. I think they might have had some issues with the power here a couple years ago, but that's all brand new. The whole power meter, power riser, everything's brand new right there as well. So now we're going to head off to the north side of the property, and we'll see you there. All right, as we come across the backyard of your property here at 7101, you're going to have your brand new, it's not brand new, but it's 2015 AC condenser right here, all hooked up and ready to go, keeping the house nice and cool. As you can see, all of the updated windows across the back here. You have a water spigot right there. And as you come off to the north side of your property, you're going to have a neighbor's fence there. You can fence this in if you want to, which you probably might want to if you have animals or anything like that. Again, you're going to have newer windows. You're going to have 2 awnings here, which keep this property very cool in there, as we talked about earlier in the presentation. You got a neighbor right there. You got neighbors all around. And again, this is a beautiful corner property, a 0.20 of an acre. And you're going to see this is probably one of the bigger lots. One of the bigger lots in the neighborhood. A lot of these lots in here are going to be the 8,000 square foot, 7,000 square foot lots. But because yours sits on the corner, you do have a little bit more land to contend with, which is nice for this, because you could probably fence out from here. Almost, you probably have a 10 to 15 foot easement off the back of the street there, so you could fence and have a decent sized backyard. So now let's go back up to the front of the property and we'll see you there. All right, so this is the north side of the property. You're coming back to the front of this beautiful property here in Pasco County, Port Richey, Florida. The property here we're coming to you from is 7101 Arbutus Drive in Port Richey, Florida. This is going to be a 1962 built 3-bedroom, 1-bath at 1 carport as well. 952 square foot heated and cooled under roof, 952 square foot heated and cooled, with 1,508 square foot under roof. So 952 square foot of that is going to be heated and cooled living area. The lot is 8,852 square foot, as we showed you. It's a 0.20 of an acre on a beautiful corner lot right here. You got a driveway here. You got a beautiful home there, updated windows, 2015 roof replaced, 2015 on the AC system in the property. Concrete block, stucco, central heat and air. Windows, the windows are 2015 as well. I apologize for that. It's city water, city sewer on this property here. The taxes alone on this property are $936 were the taxes for all of 2019. So very low carrying cost for this property. It makes this an excellent investment if you wanted to rent this property out. You probably get anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a month, I would imagine, for this property right here. And the location of this property is outstanding. Again, we're just off of US 19, which is 1 block that way, which has all your shopping, dining, everything you need is just 1 block away. You're going to be 5 minutes south of us is going to be your closest Home Depot. So if you have to do any repairs at any time during your ownership of this, you're 5 minutes away from the Home Depot. You're 10 minutes from Walmart. So if you want to get any of your shopping and done at Walmart, you're just 10 minutes from there as well. And you're 15 minutes from the beach at Robert Reese Memorial Park. You can be at the beach in 15 minutes from this location. If you're going to use this as a snowbird's nest or just a vacation home to come down to whenever you want to get away from up north or anywhere outside the state of Florida, you want to fly into the Tampa International Airport. It'll take you just 45 minutes to get to this location. So everything is just well located on this property here at 7101 Arbutus Drive. So good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.